So in the last video, I talked about what materials you need. So let's recap. 2 pieces of paper, 2 pencils, a calculator, and again, make sure you have a test center that you can take your calculator in and make sure it's cleared out to minimize cheating. So what's in this book, right? Sorry for my hands, I don't got the photogenic hands here, nor arms. So no, it's not the werewolf presenting it. That would be cool, right? But here's a list of things that you're gonna be having the figures on. And the cool thing is you can find these on the FAA. So if you Google search this number, you're gonna have this book. And it's free, it's PDF. So you can do some of these equations yourself, and these are gonna be, the figures are gonna be on the test. Because these are directly from the test. Cool, so what does it look inside? You got some total capacitance here. See, it gives you the equations. All you need to do is input the numbers here and here, and then use your calculator, your handy dandy calculator here, and put that information in there. So you already got some of the answers of the test if you download this from the FAA. See? So if you're trying to study what the answers are, boom, you got it right here on this thing. And sometimes the ASA books will have this figure as well, but here you go. You got some of the answers that for sure will be on the test. See? More equations, circuit diagrams. If you solve this stuff, you're already ahead of the game. So that's a trick and a tip that I want to give today. And it just goes on and on and on. All the electrical stuff, all the, and this is just, so far, just general. This is in the drawings. Like your wire. Yep, here's some more equations. I mean, can't be any easier than that. And the reason I made this video is because I get a lot of questions about, you know, math and stuff like that in the test. And actually you'll get most of the equations here in this book, and you get a handy dandy calculator. So hope that helps.